Good morning, ammo seekers. Today's another beautiful day in Houston, Texas, and look what I have in my hands. This is a Marlin 1895 SBL in 4570. Let's just do a quick feature overview of this rifle, and the first thing that stands out to me that I notice is this really thick butt pad on the bottom. I mean, it's super cushiony, and you would wonder why a butt pad would be so cushiony, because a 4570 is nothing to play with. I have two varieties here today. I have a 300 grain Federal, and I have a 325 grain Hornady that we're going to be shooting. And those are considered kind of light loads for this rifle. Next, you notice you have a ghost ring rear sight and a fiber optic front sight. And when you pull this rifle up, it's so easy to get a sight picture. And then next you see this really nice pick rail. Man, it's pretty generous as far as the length. I don't know if I'd want to put an optic on this just yet. I like it just how it sits. Maybe like a 1 power or a red dot. I don't know. And it also has a threaded muzzle, so you can also suppress it, which I will be doing pretty soon. I just got my paperwork finally done for that, so you will start seeing suppressors on the channel. It's also sporting this gray laminate stock with this checkering on it. It gives you a really solid grip on this rifle, and you're going to need a solid grip on this rifle. So this gun is all new to me. I'm really new to the whole lever action world. I just know I've always wanted one. And let's load it up. I got about 60 rounds here. Let's shoot it. Let's have some fun and go from there. All right, guys, it's the first shots from the 4570 from Marlin. Woo! I'm excited. God, that is so much fun. Oh my God. This shoots pretty good. Shoots pretty good.
Cool. Yep. Oh, it's got a racket every time. That's it. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's awesome, man. I want one.
Woo! That is so much fun. Now for the Hornady 325 grain. So I was talking earlier about the price of ammo on this, and it's expensive. But is this something you're going to shoot, every time you go to the range? No, it's not. It's a hunting caliber, so you might shoot it once a year. It's not that bad. It really isn't that bad. You got to try that one. That one felt a little more stout, a tiny bit.
Oh yeah.
That sounds different.
Oh, this one I feel. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like my wife waking me up in the morning. Get up! It's it. It's done. Bang! It's awesome, man.
So the barrel is a little warm, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah. Well, then again, we just shot, almost 40 rounds through it. So this gun isn't meant to shoot countless rounds through it right away, even though it's pretty fun.
Yeah, definitely. All right, here we go. Try to get his eye. You just want to keep going, man. This thing is awesome.
All right, I'm here with my buddy Brock. He's going to shoot the 45-70. He's never shot one before, but he's got a brand new shoulder. I mean, he'll be all right.
He's single, ladies, so he doesn't know what it's like to be married. We're going to find out. We're trying to teach him.
This is the marriage gun.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect tactical cowboy gun right there.
But just like marriage, the first few years are great, but the more you shoot it, the longer you're married, it gets more painful. So he's gonna shoot probably another couple dozen. Are you married?
No.
Oh, well, we'll cure him of that shit real quick. All right, it's another day at the range. I got a fresh shoulder to break in, and I have the Marlin 45-70 to shoot. 6 rounds loaded up. Woo! Let's go! I can't describe how much I love shooting this gun. This isn't a gun you're going to be shooting probably more than once a year, but when you take it out on those special occasions, you know it's going to be a special occasion because it's just so much fun to shoot this thing. It's a monster, but I love it. Well, got to rest my shoulder now. I'll be back in another week to shoot another 10 rounds. It's the last day shooting the Marlin 45-70. I'm gonna actually try and see if I can do a 6-shot group. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down there and see how close I can get. I'm about 25 yards, so I'm not very far away with the 45-70, but let's see, as a novice shooter, how tight of a group I can get. I'm gonna set up my other camera down there, all right? So the target's about 25 yards away. Make sure I'm a good distance. All right. So here we go. All right. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice. All right, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. So if you get an opportunity to pick up a 45-70 of any brand, make, model, whatever, do it. Is it expensive to shoot? Absolutely. Is it fun to shoot? Yes. Is it worth the expense? You know, $3 a bullet? 1,000%. The gun is so much fun to shoot. Absolutely no regrets on my side. So, kind of getting rained on here a little bit. So, probably head inside. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for your channel support. You guys are amazing. Thank you.
Look at that sucker, man. Boom. Oh, yeah. That's what you call bullet envy right there. Ta-da!